Okay, so because now we have deleted our old files, we can enable the collection of the logs here, and then from here we will go. So we will sign in our Kali machine. So I'm just waiting for it to load. Yep. So you can open the browser here, folks. So by logging into the FTP site, you can make sure if it's having access or not. So you close this one first. If it's not for me, I'm sure. Okay. So we have our Kali here. So we're going to do the brute force attack on our dummy website FTP. So to do that, we need to first get the access of the website. So we do the same process of getting in the website by putting the website IP address, which would be our target machine IP address. Click OK and just try in this admin, and this is the pass. Okay, so you can see we have the access of the website. Okay, so now we have the access of our FTP website. We go to the Kali, and we will use our Hydra tool of Kali to launch the brute force attack against our FTP website, which is hosted at 10.1.1.25 target machine. So what we are doing here, we generally be creating the list of all logins and password which are available over the internet, generally for the hackers and pen testers. But we are doing a white box testing, so we're gonna create our own list, which will be a small one. So I have created the login text and the password text. So these are two password and login notepads where which you can obtain online, and then all these possible logins and passwords are in there. So from here we will try using our Hydra tool. To use the Hydra tool, we are going to type the command Hydra. Um, the purpose of the Hydra tool is to automatically crack the logins and password of the target machine. Can be online or offline. So we type the type the command here, which I did already, just to make sure it's working. So I enter. Yeah, sometimes it's possible that it gets the error. So you enter again, run again, and keep on trying. Yep, now that's successful. Do it again just to make sure you're getting it. Try again. So we need to keep on trying. Yeah, so as you can see here, one of one target successfully completed. One valid password found. So we got the login ID admin and the password 01. So that means our brute force is successful. Since the brute force is successful, so um, uh, these logs should be updated on our the target machine FTP logs, the website logs. So just to verify, let's see if we can get it here. Refresh this. So this is the log file, so it should be updated there as in with the pass, and as you can see here, the password, and with the all the users. I tried all the passwords here, and then you will find the user's name all in here. So among password and all, so it gets one successful, which we got as a green on our so as you can see here, we tried all the users and passwords. So these are the log files. So these log files will be helpful for us to create the alert on our SIEM. So from here, it will be transferred to the same machine, and on the same machine we have our Splunk installed, and on the Splunk we will read the data through the log files, and then we can find out more details about the search query. Okay, so the Kali has 10.1.1.135. SIEM is on 10.1.1.12. Our target, which we attacked or did the brute force from Kali.135, is .25. So as in here we find the alerts which has our Kali IP address and of course the password which been attempted. So we type this here and then we run it, and then we found this one. So how we going to create the alerts? To create the alert for this data, we click on activity, go to triggered alerts, and so like we see, there is no alerts being triggered, which means we have not created any alerts for that. So from here we alert, to create the alert we go back to the search, we type the keyword here. The keyword is pass, enter. So we should have the alert, the data which has the pass word in it. We go to the save as, and then we can save this alert. We can give it a title, so we brute force on FTP site, and then we can say some description if you like, search and analysis, and then we do share in app. Of course, we have to click on real time, and then we can see the hours should be 24 hours. You can scroll down, and then here we click on per results. So we need to understand the number of results. Trigger conditions means we want that if pass is in the logs more than, let's say, um, more than 5, or let's say more than 6 or 5, let's say 5, um, in 1 minute, then give us the alert, and then we should say once, and then total value we can just go on with this, as in 60 seconds, and then we just do the save here, and then this is how we have created our alert. So we can give the severity, so there's the severity here, we can give this, so what's the trigger actions could be, you can say what's the severity of the alert, just say hi and then save it. You can, alert has been saved, and then you can say view alert, say yes and enabled, and all the details are here, that's good. So you get the triggered alert, number of results in 5 per minute, then this alert will be triggered real time. This is the time and date today, it's me, yeah.